157. The narrow country lane that threads through the valley known locally as Harrow Cut was all but impassable. It was on this night that Thomas Pearson, a 42-year-old insurance broker, his wife Margaret, 39, their teenage son James, 17, and 12-year-old daughter Lucy, left their home in the neighboring village of Millbrook. The family planned to attend the annual Christmas party at the Harrow Ridge Village Hall, a 12-mile journey that should have taken little more than 20 minutes. They piled into a green 1977 Ford Cortina, registration MJW 917R, and set off at approximately 5:30 p.m., the last daylight fading behind a wall of swirling snow. Witnesses